me, Eckhart, and welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video, I'll be playing The Forgotten Desert with my awesome little flamingo. I just recently restarted it, so sorry, that's really cringy. Anyway, let's get right into the video. The Forgotten Desert, as most of you probably know, is a flying animals only adventure. So you have to be an owl, falcon, a flamingo, toucan, anything that flies. So anything that flies, and usually you do need 4 people in the adventure. So that you can do these really cool things where you sit on like this. So there's usually a mirror thing here, and you have to sit on one of these little things like so. And then everybody has to be sitting here. You need 4 people, otherwise it doesn't work. And there are these other really cool things like this. Cactus. If that was real, it probably would really hurt sitting on that. Anyway, you get these gems, which you have to try and get 15 of. And then these gems are just scattered around everywhere, so you never know when you'll come across them. And every so often you can find these little things, either gifts or gems. Also, to get this blue gem, you have to do lots of watering, water lots of holes, and then you get the blue gem, which also helps build up your courage, which gives you levels. And you have to keep that water so that you can then keep on filling up more holes. But you only get to use the water once, so you have to keep on refilling it. And these, as I was talking about, you have to get 11 of them. Anyway, so here's another one of these. You can collect another blue gem. Got 6 out of 20. It's another one of these. Let's see what's inside. 50 gems. I need gems. Yep, level 3 now. What's here? Another one of these. A few more to go. Okay, I just unlocked a little prize. Golden wings. They're really pretty. I'm gonna make an outfit with that at the end. Okay, I've got another one. Hanging horseshoe. That's interesting. Okay, this is a thing that I was talking about at the beginning. We have to all sit down in this little mirror type thing there. When I said mirror, I mean like a mirror of the bird, not a mirror like the thing you look into. I'm not going to do it now because there's only about 4 minutes, 20 left. So that's just what it would look like. And what you do, you'd sit here just like that, and one of the wings or the head or something would light up. As you can see, I'm running out of time, and I've nearly got enough gems, but not quite. I might get them at the end, I'm not sure. I'm hoping I do, because I love the prizes at the end. Okay, I've got them. I got one of them. Okay, nice. Let's go to Liza, see if we get a gift at the end or something. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that's the end of the adventure. As I said, I would make a little character with my wings that I got. So I've used my DJ Jazzy Cheetah. Put the wings on the back. It's pretty cool, that dragon head. I think I got that in the adventure too, which is pretty cool. Oh, that's cute. Anyway, look at the phantom. That's funny. Does it move or just sits there? Anyway, back to what I was saying. Thanks for watching my video. And leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.